Hello everyone, this is Seicane. The car we will show you how to disassemble and install the Android radio today. Please follow me. Firstly, we will remove this S-shaped decorative strip. Then remove this leather panel. Remove this screen position and this small panel again. Then remove this L-shaped panel. Remove its air conditioning panel again. Then remove its air outlet panel. Okay, now let's unscrew these 4 screws. Then remove the original car screen and unplug all the plugs on its back. Now that the disassembly is complete, we are starting to install the new Android radio. Let's first reconnect the plug of the air outlet panel. Then combine the plastic frame of the Android radio with the air outlet panel together. After combination, install it in the corresponding position. Reinstall the air conditioning panel. Reinstall this L-shaped panel again. Reinstall the leather panel as well. This S-shaped decorative strip has also been installed. After installation, start connecting the cable of the Android radio. This is a 4th generation antenna. This is a GPS antenna. This is a video input cable. These two are original car USB adapter cables. These two are original car USB adapter cables. Now we are connecting the Canbus box. Then connect the radio antenna. Then connect the protocol serial port. Then connect the screen power plug. Finally, connect the reverse rearview plug. Now we connect the plug of the Android radio to the corresponding plug of the original car. After connecting everything, install the Android car device to the corresponding location to complete the upgrade. The installation is now complete as this model has a Canbus box. It needs to be used for the first time to support some of the original car functions. Support door switch reminder. Support reverse rearview. Support steering wheel button control for Android radio sound, switching, etc. Of course, it also has other functions, supporting automatic radio station search, support offline or online map navigation, support local or online video playback. Supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Enjoy wireless CarPlay or Android Auto function from your phone in your car. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for your watching.